Now, it takes stamina and determination to get to Bulwani village in Budalang'i constituency. This is because one has to wade through, get this, 6 streams and then ride a boat over 3 others. Our reporter Victor Ogale visited the village and now shares his experience on this treacherous journey.
The journey to Bulwani in Bunyala South Budalang'i constituency is one that is not for the faint-hearted. Having left our car at Ndekwe shopping center due to risky conditions of Sidoho Bridge, we had to trek for 20 minutes before getting to Runyu, where we had to cross the waters of Yala Swamp by foot. We have to remove our trousers as the water levels are above our knees. In this area, owning a boat is the order of the day. For over 3 decades now, residents of Bulwani have been going through this agony, with politicians capitalizing on the challenge to promise solutions, thereby earning votes. This Sidoho Bridge, which was constructed in 2002 by the government, has not been repaired in a long time. This is the last stream that we are crossing, but it is deeper than the previous ones and we cannot cross by foot and we have to use this boat. And our guide is telling us that we have 2 more streams to cross before we get to Bulwani. That will take approximately 20 minutes. Christopher Ochieng Munyobi is a boat operator on the route. The first crossing point is charged 20 shillings, while the final one, which crosses through a confluence between River Yala and Nzoia, is 30 shillings.
Ukikuja kama zimeenda wewe utakaa mpaka time zitakuja. Sasa wewe hujui zitakuja saa ngapi, kazi yako ni kukaa na kungoja.
This is the first home we come upon our arrival in Bulwani village. Their faces tell a story of neglect. Boaz Wanyama, aged 85, is an elder in the community that has seen over 10,000 hectares of their land covered by water over time. Currently, the population is slightly above 1,000 as the financially endowed ones have shifted to neighboring counties such as Siaya.
Tuliwana tunataka sababu tunataka solution. Who cannot solve a problem when you are away from the problem?
Boaz was part of the team that conducted a feasibility study in 1975 together with Dutch scientists over the flow of River Yala and ways of reclaiming the land covered by water. This was after the 1961 floods that rocked the entire East African region, with parts most hit as Entebbe in Uganda, Mwanza in Tanzania and Kisumu as well as Budalang'i. Despite the place being fertile as all the water from the Kenyan highlands enter Lake Victoria through this area, the locals cannot fully utilize their land. During rainy seasons, they have had to deal with floating corpses due to the swampy terrain. Part of the recommendations in the Ilako report, after findings by Dutch and Kenyan scientists as well as locals from Budalang'i, was to build a bridge across River Yala or a dam in Dalu area, Bungoma County, to control the flow of River Nzoia that forms part of Lake Victoria Basin. According to Mzee Boaz, the idea of building a dam in Dalu would have been the easiest, but political interference played part in its stagnation.
Kuna njia ya kumaliza maji haya ambao tuko nayo, isipokuwa serikali ndio iko reluctant.
Ironically, the papyrus reeds from the wetland is their source of fuel, as trees are also extinct. For now, the residents of this tiny village in Budalang'i, who entirely depend on fishing, have to wait for the day their plea will be heard and a lasting solution provided. Victor Ogale, KTN News, Bulwani, in the county of Busia.